uncertain truck availability, and shipment delays. Making a great product is only half the job. The other half is making sure it reaches the customer safely on time at the promised price. Today, AIEMA helps manufacturers solve problems, connect with government departments, adopt new technologies, develop skills, manpower, and build a stronger industrial community. To celebrate AIEMA's remarkable journey, we put together an exclusive offer for AIEMA members. Imagine a place where more than 2,000 industries operate side by side. Every single morning, over 2 lakh people, including nearly 60,000 women, walk through its factory gates to design, manufacture, and build products that power India's economy. Spread across 473 hectares with an annual industrial turnover of over 2,500 crores. This is the Ambattur Industrial Estate, one of the largest industrial estates in Asia. And bringing this entire ecosystem together is AIEMA, the Ambattur Industrial Estate Manufacturers Association. In this video, we are going to look at who is AIEMA and what they do. AIEMA is much more than an industry association. Founded in 1963, it was created with the simple purpose to give every manufacturer in the estate a stronger collective voice. Over the last 6 decades, the role has grown far beyond representation. Today, AIEMA helps manufacturers solve problems, connect with government departments, adopt new technologies, develop skills, manpower, and build a stronger industrial community. Whether it's a small workshop employing 10 people or growing an MSME supplying major industries, AIEMA has worked to make sure every member has access to opportunities that would be difficult to achieve alone. More than anything else, AIEMA has become the bridge between industry, government, technology, and people, helping Ambattur grow together instead of growing separately. Now let's hear at the journey that was built across decades. The story of AIEMA is really a story of growing with the times. In the early years, its focus was straightforward, bringing manufacturers together and representing their interests before government authorities. By the 1980s, it had already begun looking ahead. In 1983, AIEMA established its technology center, recognizing the access to modern manufacturing tools would eventually become essential even for the smallest industry. When India's economy opened up in the 1990s, manufacturers suddenly faced a far more competitive world. AIEMA became the link that helped its members navigate changing policies, submit industry representations, and stay connected with government decision makers. As global businesses became increasingly important, AIEMA also partnered with the Germany's ZDH through the AIEMA Business Information Center, opening doors to international trade information and overseas business opportunities. Over the last decade, AIEMA's focus has expanded even further. It became Tamil Nadu's pilot industry cluster under the World Bank-supported STRIVE program, establishing advanced CNC machining infrastructure that smaller manufacturers could access without having to invest individually. Most recently, through the CAA, IIUC Infrastructure Company, it promoted alongside the industry cluster of Tirumudivakkam and Tirumalai. AIEMA has also taken up larger responsibilities supporting sustainable industrial infrastructure, including advanced effluent treatment for the estate. Each decade brought a different challenge, and each time AIEMA found a way to help its members move forward. Now let's talk about the AIEMA Technology Center. Perhaps nowhere is that commitment more visible than at the AIEMA Technology Center. Back in 1983, long before digital manufacturing became a buzzword, AIEMA invested in technology for its members. It wasn't reacting to change, it was preparing for it. The idea was simple. A small manufacturer shouldn't be left behind just because modern equipment is expensive. So the Technology Center made advanced resource accessible, CNC training, CAD/CAM facilities, technical libraries, conference halls, and industry-focused learning programs that individual MSMEs could rarely build on their own. That vision has continued for over 40 years. Today, the center regularly conducts programs on automation, Industry 4.0, digital manufacturing, and IoT, helping manufacturers stay competitive in an industry that's evolving faster than ever. The Technology Center isn't just a building. It's AIEMA's promise that every member, regardless of size, gets a chance to keep growing. Now let's talk about the AIEMA's 4 pillars. Everything AIEMA does can really be understood through 4 core areas of work. First is skill development. Manufacturing is only as strong as the people behind it. That's why AIEMA conducts technical training programs, leadership workshops, industrial seminars, and certification courses throughout the year. From students entering the workforce to experienced professionals learning the latest technologies, the goal is simple: keep people ready for the future of manufacturing. Second is business growth and industry support. AIEMA also works to help business grow. It regularly organizes buyer-seller meets, business networking events, technology seminars, and policy awareness programs. It represents members' concern before government departments and helps manufacturers make better use of available schemes and industry initiatives. It is also how Ambattur connects with the larger manufacturing world. Through ACME, one of India's leading machine tool exhibitions, and MF India, Chennai's dedicated metal forming exhibitions, AIEMA creates opportunities for manufacturers to showcase their capabilities, discover new technologies, and build new business relationships. Shared infrastructure projects like CAA, IIUC, effluent treatment initiatives further strengthen the industrial ecosystem, benefiting the entire manufacturing community. Third is community welfare. Strong industries are built by healthy communities. Throughout the year, AIEMA organizes medical camps, eye checkup camps, blood donation drives, and health awareness programs, not only for the members of the company, but also for the thousands of workers and families who make the estate what it is. Fourth one is sports recreation, and of course, work isn't everything. AIEMA also believes that people should have opportunities to connect beyond the factory floor. Its annual cricket tournament has become a tradition alongside badminton competitions, family sports days, marathons, and year-round access to sport facilities, including cricket nets, badminton courts, and futsal. Because the people who build together should also get to celebrate together. So the 4 pillars is one purpose: helping manufacturers grow not just as businesses but as a community. Now this is where FR8 comes. Now here's something every manufacturer understands. Making a great product is only half the job. The other half is making sure it reaches the customer safely, on time, at the promised price. For many MSMEs, that's exactly where profits quietly disappear. In brokers' commission, last-minute price negotiations, uncertain truck availability, and shipment delays. That's the problem FR8 was built to solve. FR8 is an online truck booking platform with deep roots in the same Ambattur industrial ecosystem, where it maintains an office to this day. Today, it connects businesses with over 1 lakh verified trucks across more than 500 routes through 40 plus branches across India. No middleman, no endless negotiations for every shipment. Just book a truck, get it assigned, and stay updated until delivery through dedicated customer support on phone or WhatsApp. Many AIEMA member companies already move their freight this way. It feels like a natural partnership. AIEMA helps manufacturers build world-class product. FR8 helps those products reach the customers who are waiting for them. And you also have a membership offer. To celebrate AIEMA's remarkable journey, we put together an exclusive offer for AIEMA members. Use your AIEMA membership code when booking your first load on FR8 and receive 1000 rupees off on your first shipment. Then enjoy 500 off each of your next 3 bookings, giving you savings of up to 2500 rupees as you get started. No complicated forms, no hidden conditions. Simply enter the code AIEMA while registering. Book your first truck, experience the platform, and see the difference yourself. From everyone at FR8, congratulations to AIEMA, to every manufacturer in Ambattur, and to the next chapter of building what India runs on. Let me know if you like this in the comment section. Thank you for watching.